Okay, let's go. EUR USD forecast with this new setup. Hopefully you like it. So I am actually bearish today and I'm going to tell you why. Usually I would be bullish because we did break the swing high right there. So I should be bullish, but we disrespected order flow. If we're bullish, I want to see all the down candles, hence like the white candle. I want to see that being respected. If we break through that with a body, automatically that's my first indication that we're going to be bearish. So when we broke through this with a body confirmed, I'm bearish now. The invalidation line is invalidating order flow. So I am bearish, but I'm bearish until we form a swing low. So remember, a swing low is once we have something like this. So right now, this is actually a swing low, but it's not confirmed. It's only going to be confirmed after today, right? Because after today, this candle right here, today's candle could end up like something like around there. Then it's fine, we have a swing low. Then I'll be bullish tomorrow. But if today we end up going like there, and we actually might break the swing low, then automatically I'm bearish. So that is the reason I'm bearish today. So that is on the daily. Then jumping down to the 1 hour, as you can see, displacing down as well. So another bearish indication. Nothing really on the hour apart from this buy side liquidity right there. So, it's possible to come up all the way there, sweep, and then go down. 100% that is a possibility. But do you think it's really going to come up that high? I don't know. I don't think so. Then on the 15-minute, this is where it gets interesting. Because on the 15-minute, we have some nice areas of interest. Obviously, we have this buy side liquidity, but we have this, a really clean 15-minute 15-minute FVG. Nice fair value gap there. Plus, we have some more buy side liquidity right there. So this sets up a really good condition for sells. And as you can see, we've already taken out the Asian high. So at 2 a.m., I'm already looking for sells. Number one criteria has been met. The Asian high has been taken out. So you can label your Asian high, Asian low. And you can label the midnight opening price, which is right there. So it is a pretty high midnight opening price. So maybe we could get a setup, but it could be below the midnight opening price, which means don't take that sell. But we'll see today what happens. Plus, there's no news. There's all happy days. Take your time. If there's a clean setup, take it. If it's not, don't take it. Be patient. Take only your A plus setups. And yeah, all the best.